Hey guys, it's Yvette. Welcome back to the channel. I hope if this is your first time, please stick around because this is going to be a very short video. Hopefully that will help you to stick around for something else. I've just opened the Sew Sampler, so if you're interested in anything quilty, I'm sure you're going to want to watch that. And when you do, I just know you're going to want to subscribe to my channel. So please don't forget to do that. And give it a whole thumbs up if you like this video. The next thing that I've received today is my washi tape from Julie at Lemony Stitch. And so this is, I get this washi tape from her. It's $10 a month. And I know that I've had some people comment down below on other videos of hers that, you know, they think it's a little expensive. Listen, her washi tape is the best out there. If washi tape's not your thing, cool beans. I love washi tape. And hers is really great because she makes it with fabric, like actual, like current fabric that's out there these days. And it's always just bubbly and happy and everything. So, here is the washi tape that I got, and it's so, isn't that happy? It's so happy. I've been trying to explain to a few people who don't know what washi tape is, what washi tape is. So if I don't, hopefully I remember, and I will give some sort of link down below that you can go in, get a visual other than this, because most washi tape comes on a roll. And I do have like a whole collection of it up there, but do you want to see that? All right, hold up. So this is my collection of washi tape. And I have it in this little bucket, and, you guys may have even heard, like, Lori Holt had a whole, set that she came out with, and this is really cool. And this is just all my washi tape, and I have all sorts of things in there, from thank you to happy birthday to Valentine's, kitty cats. I mean, you know, I see it and I just have to have it. And so the only thing about this type of washi tape, to me, and it's fine, I know exactly how to take care of the problem, is it doesn't always stick so well. Like, if I'm putting together a package and then I want to decorate the outside, like to make it really crafty and fun, I usually will, or not usually, I always will cover it all with packing tape, clear packing tape, to make sure that it stays down, it's held down, and it's not going anywhere. On the other hand, Lemony Stitch from Julie, her washi tape is like, if you put this tape down, that sucker ain't going nowhere. It sticks like nobody's business, and it's so strong because it's made of fabric. Anyway, I could go on and on and on, but this is the washi tape she sent me. She also sent me a little April calendar. Thank you very much. And it's kind of weird. I mean, Julie, not to be funny or anything, but it's April 23rd. I still love you, Julie. And I do love this where it says, close your umbrella and let the blessings rain down. Very, very nice. I love that. And Julie, I love you. I hope you're getting plenty of people tuning in for your stuff. And I'm trying to get people to get on board with your washi because it's awesome. And by the way, guys, this is a monthly subscription. So I will give you a link down there. It's $10 a month, and you get like a little dose of happy once a month. I mean, who doesn't want that? So I will see you guys in a little bit. Please stick around. Bye. Hey guys, I have a little addendum to the washi tape Lemony Stitch subscription. She also had these little cards inside. They were way at the bottom, and I am so sorry. I missed them the first time, but I started sticking everything back in, and I was like, oh my gosh, there's more. So we got this little square that says love, and we got this one that says joy, and this says peace with the rainbows, and she always throws a little thank you in. You're quite welcome, Julie, and thank you so much for everything that you do to keep us happy. Bye, guys.